kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you are currently dealing with or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Meron bang magbabalik? Okay, let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Leo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's get messages from Romance and Love Oracle. Okay, random message for Leo. Strong message. Surprise. Heartbreak. Okay. Leo. Right path. Okay, merong surprise. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. Okay? May mga surprises, yung mga hindi mo inaakala na mangyayari. Okay? Be open to them. Embrace it. Enjoy it. Okay? For some of you, merong proposal na mangyayari. Okay? Meron kang gifts na matatanggap. Attention from your person. Okay? Heartbreak. Heartbreaks is a part of the human experience. It will pass, okay? Yung iba sa inyo nakakaranas ng heartbreak ngayon and you are healing. You've been through a lot, Leo. May mga nangyayari sa relationship ninyo na hindi mo inaakala and nagkukos ng disappointment and sadness. It's breaking your heart. Right path. Love is a beautiful journey and you're on the right path, okay? Yung iba, you are on the right path, okay? Ina-enjoy ninyo ang inyong relationship. That's good for you. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot. Leo. Energies and messages for Leo, please. Anong nararamdaman ng person ninyo sa inyo? Your person feels na gusto niya makipag-close sa inyo. Nagdi-daydream siya about you, Leo. Okay? Meron siyang feeling sa inyo pero parang ayaw niyang i-express pa, ayaw niyang iparamdam. Pero nasa isip ka niya palagi, Leo. Okay. You think that your person is kinokontrol niya ang kanyang sarili, minimaintain niya ang kanyang emosyon. Okay? Your person is also busy doing multiple jobs or madami siyang ginagawa. Okay? Kailangan niya i-maintain ang balance and harmony, Leo. Let's see. Napakita sino ng person niyo. Leo. Yeah. May gusto sa inyo yung person mo, Leo, okay? Parang gusto niya i-express, pero naghahanap lang din ng right time for that, okay? Gusto ka na, your person is falling in love with you, Leo. He or she also wants na i-surprise ka, okay? Okay, if you are dealing with a man, gusto kanyang ligawan, pero nag-iisip pa siya kung paano. Okay. You feel na parang kailangan mo pang pag-isipan ng mabuti, okay? May mga tinitingnan ka pa, different aspects surrounding that relationship or that person. Leo, okay? You feel that your person nakikimatsyag, okay? Alam mo yun, parang nakikiramdam din. for you it's going to be hard work. Parang kailangan mo pang trabahuhin. Okay, yung person na to, or kung meron kang binabalak to have a relationship with this person, naghahanap ka ng mga ways, ng mga paraan. Okay? Yeah, it seems that your person doesn't know what to do. Parang hindi niya alam kung anong nararamdaman niya. Nag-iisip din siya ng mga options, okay? Nag-i-imagine din siya ng future about you. Future ninyong together. So, he or she is imagining of you being together in the future. Okay? Pero tinitingnan niya pa, ina-analyze niya pa ang sitwasyon. Tinitingnan niya pa kung totoo ba ang kanyang nararamdaman or nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Okay? Ina-analyze. Gusto niyang manigurado. Okay, Leo? Napaka-attractive mo to this person, Leo. Okay? Parang meron kang deep affection sa person na to. Or it's the other way around, okay? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Parang it's worth na magkaroon ng something with this person. Parang hindi ka magkakamali in some ways because both of you are falling in love to each other. Okay, parang may deep affection na, no? Nagkakadevelopan somehow. But no one is expressing it. Four of Wands. Merong celebration. You feel happy being together. Okay. Parang merong successful time para sa inyong dalawa. Okay. Okay. You will be comfortable with each other. Okay. Parang feeling mo or parang feeling mo parang this is the one for you. Okay, for some of you, Leo, or it's the other way around, vice versa, depende sa inyong energy. Yeah. Gusto maging close sa'yo ng person ninyo. Okay? Parang nag-i-imagine, nagdi-daydream siya, celebrating together. Nagdi-daydream siya na maybe is there a chance na lumabas kayong dalawa. Okay? Mag-celebrate. Dine out. Your person thinks na madami kang ginagawa, madami kang responsibility. You need to maintain or find time para sa inyong dalawa or sa person mo. Yeah. Your person thinks na parang gumagawa ka ng action para sa kanya. Okay? Na despite of your busy time, you still have that busy time, okay? Meron ka pa ring panahon para magparamdam sa kanya. Na gusto mo siya, okay? Parang may gusto kang sabihin sa kanya, Leo. Yan yung iniisip ng person mo sa'yo. Okay. But at the same time, gusto ka ng person mo, okay? May crush or may gusto siya sa'yo. Pero at the same time, parang kailangan niya i-let go yung ganyang emotion. Okay? He or she feels or thinks that it's going to be a bad relationship. That's why emotionally, parang nagde-detach siya. Pero may gusto siya sa'yo, attracted siya sa'yo, Leo. Okay, parang may withdrawal sa part niya, emotionally. Pero gusto ka niya, okay? Okay. Nami-miss mo yung person na to, okay? Parang walang araw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 6. Na hindi mo siya nami-miss. Okay? Lumalapit ang loob mo sa kanya, Leo. You are excited to see him or her. For some of you, you feel na parang pareho siya ng past person mo, okay? Merong reflection. Nakikita mo yung past person mo sa kanya. Okay? That's for some of you. Okay. Okay. So, parang nag-aantayan kayong dalawa, okay? Parang yun yung challenge. Nag-aantayan. You feel na yung person mo parang ang tagal niya umaksyon at mag-respond sa'yo. Okay, parang merong confusion, no? Parang, ano ba tayong dalawa? Okay, what are we? Yan yung iniisip ng inyong person. Parang confused. Okay. Parang both of you nag-glow up, no? Being together or pag nakikita ninyo ang isa't isa. Okay? You feel good about this person. Ganon din sa person mo. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, Leo, you want to win this person. Kasi very attracted ka sa kanya. Okay. Magkakaroon ng communication about this that you feel good kung nandyan ang person ninyo, kung magkasama kayong dalawa, masaya, okay? Okay. For some of you, okay, medyo ano lang din kasi may mga taong nakamasid sa inyo. Okay? May mga watchers sa paligid ninyo. Okay? Maybe magkakaroon ng cutting of cords. Magkakaroon muna ng distance. Okay? Temporary detachment. Okay? Or parang magkakaroon ng control sa inyong pagsasama, okay, sa inyong mga emosyon. And you feel this is the right way, or the right thing to do, Leo. Magkakaroon ng, for some of you, your person, i-weigh niya ang kanyang mga decisions. Ganun din on your part. You might be dealing with an earth sign. Okay? Yeah. Water sign. Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Okay. Libra, Leo. Oh. Okay. Your person, okay, might be magde-detach muna sa inyo, okay? Kasi may mga tao, may mga watchers nag-oobserba about the situation for the both of you, okay? Not getting too attached. Maybe you're thinking about that or your person. Okay? But it's clear na masaya kayo sa isa't isa. Merong nagpaparamdam. Gusto ka ng person mo. Yeah. Merong daydreaming. Tingnan natin ano yung mga messages from the Lover Oracle. My life is a mess right now. Okay. You are too nice. I don't deserve your kindness. This is for some of you. Merong, don't wait for me, please. I am obsessed with you. Okay. Obsessed na sa inyo yung person ninyo or you to him or her. It's the other way around. Depende sa inyo, sa inyong situation. Okay. Take what resonates, Leo. I need to figure myself out. Okay. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Leo. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!